Hello, William Poloniak here from Whole Health Foundation. In this series of videos, I'm going to overhaul a Model 235 Norwalk juicer and show every step along the way in 6 or 7 or so videos showing everything that needs to be done. The first thing one needs to do is remove the sheet metal. Now, I have removed most of the sheet metal screws so that this video is not going to be too long. And the first thing we do, I want to point out some improvements I've made. The first thing we do is remove all the sheet metal, and you need to loosen the guide post at the back to remove the press plate. And then you remove all the sheet metal and set it aside. The part around the hydraulics you just lift and up over the valve. Lift it up over the valve, set it aside. Now I'm going to turn this around so that I can show you a few things that I'm going to do to improve the Model 235. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these connectors with spade connectors. Show this. Spade connectors, so that it's easier to take this apart for future service. Now, I've already cut a keyhole at the back to make it easier to take the electrical line out. 235 models do not have a keyhole. Now, the next thing you do, of course, is clean the juicer. You can see down here it's terribly in need of cleaning. And in the next video, I'm going to replace the front motor shaft seal behind this plate. That will be in the next video. And after that, there will be another video showing how to replace the motor bearings, which are obsolete. The new motor bearings are sealed. The 235 model did not have sealed bearings. And then I'm going to show you how to replace the hydraulic fluid. I hope you found this first video interesting, and I want to point out one more thing. Another improvement I make is what I call the feed tube extension. Now, if you look in the old feed tube, you can see my fingertips there. Can you see my fingertips? This is a design flaw in the old model. The Norwalk company has improved this in all later models. What I do on a 235 is I add a 1-inch extension, and you can see it's impossible to get your fingers down to the cutter. So, there you have all of my improvements and the first video on an overhaul. If you like what you see, please tell a friend. If you want to contact me, my phone number is 760-753-0321, and my website is www.wholehealthfound.com. I hope you like what you see. Please tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next video.